Log into the Beacon portal using your NCID and password. Click on My Data. Click on My Working Time. Underneath My Timesheets, click on Record Working Time. This is your timesheet. Choose the week you want to work in by clicking on that week in the calendar. For instance, let's choose this one, starting on January 20th. Now you see the timesheet changes to the week of January 20th. You'll need to enter attendance and absence codes for the time you work and the time you don't work. The codes can be found under the heading Attendance, Absence Types, and then by clicking the drop-downs. These will come up on the row in which you're working. There are lots and lots of absence codes. To record time actually worked, you would use code 9500. An employee working a typical 40-hour work week with no time off would choose time worked and then enter 8 hours for every day of that week. So this is what a usual timesheet might look like. If there were exceptions that week, for instance, the first day of this week is a holiday, the employee would enter for Monday, holiday leave, 8 hours. On Tuesday, the employee took an approved vacation day, so she would enter that as approved leave, 8 hours. On Wednesday, the employee came to work. She worked for 4.5 hours, so that would be time worked. But then that same day, she decided she didn't feel well. So for the afternoon or the second part of that day, she took sick leave to equal an 8-hour day. On Thursday, she's had a very busy week. She had got called for jury duty. So she's using civil leave, jury duty leave that day. And then on Friday, we finally had some snow, and so she used adverse weather as the code for the leave she took that day. So this is how a timesheet might look if it wasn't a straightforward 40-hour work week for this employee.